Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain you a simple Python program to remove the vowels within a string. For that we are making use of three strings. First string is input string from which we need to remove the vowels. The other string we are taking it as a vowels to check each character within a string whether it is a vowel or not. And the last string is our resultant string, which is string without no vowels. So the logic here is we need to iterate over every individual character within the string and compare it with the vowels here. When if it is not an vowel, then we are trying to concatenate it into the string underscore no vowels. So we will implement the logic here by using a for char in our input string. So this is our input string. So if that particular char is not in vowels, then we are going to, so which means the character is not a vowel, it is a consonant, then we are going to add it to the resultant. So we will do this till the end of the string, which means until all the characters within the string are done. So once this loop is completed, we'll try to display it using a print statement. So the string without vowels. So if you want it to be in the same line, we'll give an n equal to space, and the resultant string is string underscore no vowels. So you can try to run it. So our input is Jupyter notebook. We want a string which it do not contains the vowels like U, O and all. So just run it. So the string without vowels is J, P, Y, T, R, N, T, K, B. So you can give us semicolon, rerun it. So thank you.